Right. If you're ever trying to find out if some number is divisible by some other number, there's a shortcut here if you don't know it right off the top of your head. Well, you could do long division. Long division is one way to do it. But there's other ways you can do it, and this is another way that I like to use that's very, very quick. Let's say 93, and you want to know, is 6 a factor of 93, right? So the way that I usually explain this is with a spatial metaphor. So let's say you had a ruler that was, 93 inches long or something, right? The easiest way I think to do this is come up with a number that's definitely a multiple of 6 that gets close. Right off the top of my head, I would say 60. That's like an obvious one that I know, right? So 60, so imagine now you just cut off 60 inches of this, right? And we know that 6 fits in there neatly. So you're wondering if these little 6-inch rulers would stack up cleanly against the bigger ruler. Does that make sense, that metaphor I'm using? Okay, so you say 60, well, left over from 60 you have 33. Well, now this is a lot easier because 33 is 33 a factor of 6, or a multiple of 6. Well, I don't know what 33 is, but I know what 36 is, and it's 3 off, so it can't be. Does that make sense? So you can break it into pieces and look at them all separately because just like this length, they all add. So if 6 fits in here well and then 6 fits in here well, it fits in the whole thing well. Does that make sense? So that's one quick way of dealing with those kinds of issues. So yeah, and I do some examples here of that.